Colorado, ready to be your own boss and operate your own handyman business? Welcome to the iHandyMan franchise opportunity. We're searching for driven individuals eager to leverage the power of a recognized brand in a simple yet profitable home-based business. Introducing the Unit Franchise, your perfect platform to step into the handyman world. This opportunity provides the gateway to interact directly with residential and light commercial customers. You can choose to be a dedicated owner-operator or lead a team. Remember, everyone needs iHandyMan services, and this is your chance to turn a need into a flourishing business. For larger projects, you have the option to bring in outside contractors and manage projects on behalf of your clients. Whether you want to work from a home office with or without staff, the choice is in your hands. For a starting price of just $39,900, our Handyman franchise opportunity arms you with the necessary tools and support to build a successful and gratifying business. Dive into the world of entrepreneurship with the trusted iHandyMan brand. Join us in providing top-quality services to homeowners and light commercial clients. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. To learn more, visit gfobrands.com/iHandyman. To sum up, the iHandyMan franchise opportunity offers you the chance to kickstart your own business. With options to work as an owner-operator or with a team, and the freedom to manage your own projects, this is the perfect platform for any budding entrepreneur. Combined with the power of a recognized brand and the support to help you succeed, there really is no better time to take the plunge. So, what are you waiting for? Visit us online today.